Chill, son. Sit down. This is not C1.
C2?
Yeah, C2. Sit down. Wanna
No,
wait?
Sandy said I can't sit though.
Just sit, my nigga. Sit.
No.
Sit.
I'm good. I'm good.
No, my nigga. Sit. Son.
Yo, I'm okay.
Alright, we're gonna get 80. We're gonna get 80.
Delhi?
Yeah, Delhi. That was the plane that just left.
What are you talking about?
The plane.
I was going to Tel Aviv.
How you know that was Tel Aviv?
The captain told me, motherfucker. Wait, somebody's calling me again.
Answer your phone. Yo, echo, my nigga. Answer your phone. Who that? Hello? Hello?
I don't know what the fuck is this.
Yo, Hassan. Yo, where the fuck are you? No, come outside.
What's this fucking guy doing there?
Chill.
No, what's this fucking guy doing there?
Yo, you chill.
Yo, what's this guy doing there, bro?
You so chill out, my nigga. Chill out.
I'm just answering a text message.
He's looking at his text message. Sit. Yo, son. Yusuf, sit.
What's this guy doing? Nah,
Yusuf.
chill. What's this guy doing here? What are you doing here?
My nigga,
Huh?
chill, son.
What are you doing?
You don't call me. I'm answering a text message.
Huh?
I'm answering a text message.
You sure?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a text message, huh?
Sit down.
No, but what's this guy doing here right now, yo?
I'm answering a text message.
My nigga.
You sure?
Yeah.